work with the grow your own areas, and then we had the storms. And look what it's done to the greenhouse. I mean, this is fully glazed. It's pushed, the storm has pushed the whole greenhouse, slid along the concrete, and look, it's gone right over to here, smashed the wall of it. Oh no. And pushed it right into the bed here, so it's broken one of the stanchion points. It just seems the closer we get to getting the greenhouse and getting the grow your own area right, then the forces of nature obviously have a bit more work installed for me. So we're at the point now where I'm trying to think is, can we push this over a bit and get it back onto hard standing? But I don't think we can. I think the worry is we're going to have to deglaze most of it, lift and move it and repair it again. But we'd already gone through that process to get it up here. So the storms have acted on a bit of havoc for us here. And the weight of this greenhouse is massive. Look at it. Take a look. Step back a bit. Have a look. Don't fall in the borders. But look at that. So it's gone from here, as you can see the line, and the whole glazed greenhouse has been pushed with the force of the storm right into the border over the far side. So it's a bit frustrational, but we've got to do something to get it back onto the pad.